Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to do background extraction using GraXpert, which is a dedicated software for all these tools and actions you can do on your image, such as background extraction, deconvolution, denoising and crop. So let's get into it. Firstly, what I'm gonna do is to load the image and then crop, because we don't want to have these stacking artifacts. I'm just gonna left click right here to take the best out of my image, like that. I think it's really nice. Apply the crop and go to background extraction. On background extraction, firstly we have the RBF, which takes more time because you have to place and remove squares. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. You have to remove all these squares which are on the deep sky object we have, which in this case is the Rosette Nebula. You can take them away by left clicking for a longer time. You just drag them. Something that you should take care of is the squares which are above bright stars. For example, if I take this square above this bright star and this square above this bright star, and do the same with more stars, like all of this and this, and click on calculate background. Eventually what is going to happen is that you will have this black artifact right here, which is going to be bad. You can see that we have lost the half of the nebula because of this artifact. So take care of this. Always check if there are squares above bright stars, because at the end this is what is going to happen. So I'm gonna go back and take them away like it was before. I showed you what will happen, and click on calculate background. And this is the result. Really nice, with the denoising, which I'm gonna show you in the next part. You are going to have a totally fine image. So this is how you do background extraction with the RBF method. The grid tolerance, I want to explain those. The grid tolerance is how many squares your image will have. If I go back and click on create grid, you're gonna see that there are many squares. The image is full of squares. If I reduce it, for example, on 0.2, look, half of them have disappeared. So this is what the grid tolerance means. The points per row is simple. It is just how many squares you will have on the row. If you count them here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. If I reduce it to 5, you're gonna have 5 per row. Here, because the grid tolerance is 0.2, there are 4, 2, but if I increase it again, it's gonna be 5. So on default settings, here the smoothing, I don't really know what this is, but for me this option, the 0.0, works the best. I think it is how many gradients your image has. It depends on this. If you have less gradients, I think that you should use the 0.6 or 0.7, but if you have many gradients, the less the better. This is how it works for me always. I don't know if it's gonna work for you too, but you can always experiment and see which one suits for you the best. So let's go now. Click on reset and move on to the AI. The artificial intelligence method can be selected here where it says background extraction AI model. You're just gonna select the latest, and when you click on calculate background, you're gonna get a message that you have to download this model, which will appear for the first time, and then it's not gonna appear again. I'm gonna calculate the background, and you're gonna see that this is the result. I prefer the artificial intelligence one, if you ask me, because it's faster and I think it's better than the RBF. It does way better job, so I actually prefer it over the RBF. This is how background extraction works. If you liked my first tutorial video, please leave a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. In the next parts I'm gonna show you how to deconvolve, denoise, and I'm gonna do more tutorials. So see you in the next video, and until then, clear skies.